Hello friends, have a good day. I, Dr. Ajay Kumar Misra, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel named Computer the Way of Life. Today we will discuss about the topic titled Number System and their types. Friends, before discussing more about number system, we have to know our surrounding. We are living in a physical world, and to perform our day to day activities, we have to take the help of number of physical devices. In any of the physical device, there will be only two stages. Computer is also a physical device and depending on electricity, which also has two possible stages. That is, the flow of electron or ion is there or not. If there is flow of ion represented by on stage, that is 1, whereas the absence of flow of ion is represented by off stage, that is 0. Thus, to represent data or information inside the computer, we must have to use this two stage logic that uses the mnemonic code. Now it is the time to discuss number system in details. Number system is the rule or technique to represent any of the number and their relationship by using a finite number of distinct characters. Here the word distinct means it takes specific value in specific circumstance. Here the number of distinct characters used in case of different number system is different. In general, if b is the base, we can write a number in a numeral form of base b by expressing it in the form as a n b to the power n plus a n minus 1 b to the power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 b to the power n minus 2 plus dot dot dot, and the last term will be a 0 and b to the power 0. Here a n minus 1, a n minus 2 and dot 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 a 0 are enumerated digits written in descending order. The digits are natural numbers between 0 to b minus 1 inclusive, where b is the base of the number system. To describe this, we have taken one example. As we are acquainted with the decimal number system, the number that is 12,345 that I have taken in its decimal form, and it can be expressed as 1 into 10 to the power 4 plus 2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the digits and the value of the base, that is b, equal to 10. As the numbers are written in decimal number form that ranges between 0 to 9. Before knowing more about number system, we must have a clear idea about some of the important terms like bit, byte, word, word length and base. First we will discuss about bit. Bit is the abbreviation used for binary digit. It is the fundamental digit or the basic unit of a digital computer. 0 and 1 are known as binary digit. This is the smallest unit of the computer that represent the two possible states of the device. Next, byte. It refers to the sequence of adjacent digits which is operated upon as a unit of computer, usually shorter than a word. Generally, the combination of 8 bits constitutes 1 byte. 1 byte represents 1 character. The relationship among bit, nibble and byte is 1 byte equal to 8 bits, 1 byte equal to 2 nibbles and 1 nibble equal to 4 bits. Then we will discuss about word. The combination of bytes is called word. The size of word depends on the type of system such as 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. It is a means of basic unit of data in a computer memory, that is a program instruction or an element of data. Then word length. The size of a word is measured by the number of digits it contains, known as word length. This is the unit that will have a predetermined number of characters or bits to be processed at an entity, that is the number of bits processed by a computer CPU in a single pass. For a computer, word length is fixed. Then we will discuss about the base or radix of the number system, the set of distinct notations or symbols which are used to represent any of the number or their relationship in that number system is defined as its base or radix. It gives a clear idea about the type of number system used. It is written at the suffix of the given number, which is enclosed within a parenthesis. For example, binary number system has the base 2, octal number system has the base 8, decimal number system has the base 10, and hexadecimal number system has the base 16. Now it's a time to discuss about the types of number system. Number system is broadly divided under two broad heads. Number 1, non-position number system. Number 2, position number system. Non-position number systems are the traditional or the absolute number systems. They are not in common use. It was in use during early days. In this, we were using symbols and each symbol represents some value regardless of their position. Here, the symbols are simply added to find the value of a particular number and was difficult to perform arithmetical operations. Initially, fingers were used for counting purpose, which was not adequate. Subsequently, they were started using stones, pebbles or sticks for counting or by putting tally marks. This method of counting depends on additive approach. For example, Roman numeral system, Hebrew system and other systems are there. Next, position number system. In a position number system, there are finite numbers of symbols called digits, and these digits represent different values depending on the position they occupy in the number. Here, the value of each digit depends on three factors. 1, the number or digit itself. Next, the position of the digit or the place value, and the third one, the base or radix of the given number system or the types of number system used. As position number system is widely used in our day-to-day activities, we will further discuss about the types of position number systems. Position number systems are further subdivided as binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number systems. We will discuss one after another in details. First, we will discuss about binary number system. In this, only two notations 0 and 1 are used to represent any of the number and their relationship. It works conveniently in computers because its two states or stages, that is 0 and 1, can be signified by two states in computer circuitry by on and off, indicated by the presence and absence of voltage or pulses. This is inconvenient for the users but well understood by the computer. Its base is 2 and this mathematical system is based on the addition of progressive powers of 2. These bits, when used in particular combination, signify the different characters internally to the computer and perform accordingly. To write a number in this, we have to use the principle of odometer, that is the reset and carry to indicate the successive numbers. For example, 1010 within bracket suffix 2, 111 dot 101 within bracket suffix 2 and many more can be taken like this. Next, we will discuss about octal number system. The word octa means 8 and the type of number system that uses 8 distinct characters, that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 to represent any number, and the relationship is termed as octal number system. In this, the place values of digit increases in power of 8. It uses the principle of reset and carry to write the successive numbers. In its base is 8, which is represented at the suffix of the given number, which is enclosed within parenthesis. This way of writing numbers is not in common use. For example, 1, 2, 3 within bracket suffix 8, 1, 3, 5, 7 dot 2, 4 within bracket suffix 8, etc. Next, we will discuss about decimal number system. In decimal number system, the word deci means 10, which is a Latin word. In this, we are taking the help of 10 distinct characters from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 to write any of the number and their relationship. Throughout the globe, for our day-to-day application, this number system is in use. It also uses the principle of reset and carry. The base of a decimal number system is 10, which is written at the suffix of the given number. For example, 1234.56 within bracket suffix 10, then 8097 within bracket suffix 10, and many more can be taken. Then finally we will discuss about the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal is the combination of two words, that is hexa and deci, which means 6 and 10 respectively. The type of number system which uses 16 distinct characters, that is from 0 to 9, and capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E and capital F to represent any of the number, and the relationship is termed as hexadecimal number system. Its base is 16, which is written at the suffix of the given number. The principle of reset and carry is also used to write the successive numbers. That is, when the odometer wheels turns from 0 to 1, then it becomes to 0 and forces the next higher wheel to advance by 1. For example, capital A, B, C within bracket suffix 16. Similarly, 1A, B2 dot C3 within bracket suffix 16. As there are different types of position number system and they all are domain specific, so we are making a comparative study here. The decimal number system is widely used by the common user, whereas octal numbers take fewer digits than decimal and hexadecimal numbers, so it has fewer computations and less computational error. Hexadecimal number system takes less memory to represent but difficult for the people to handle. Binary number system is used by computers to represent data internally, as it fits the digital number system in best possible manner. Hence, to make their equivalence, there is a table known as equivalence table, which is drawn and explain the numbers, that how we are making a comparison between the different number systems. Here you can have a look of the equivalent table. In this, the numbers are returning by using the rule of reset and carry, or we are also saying the rule of odometer. That is, generally all possible numbers are written one after another. When it reaches to the last symbol, it again comes back to the 0 and forwarded by 1 to its next higher bit. So, in decimal number system, as we have the 10 distinct notations, so the numbers are written from 0 to 9, then the first bit is again initialized to 0 and subsequently it is incremented to its higher bit by 1, and then we have taken up to 15. Similarly, in case of octal, we have the notations from 0 to 7, so we have taken the number from 0 to 7, then making it again 0 and subsequently increasing it by 1 to its next higher bit. Accordingly, in case of hexadecimal number system, as we have 16 notations and that is written one after another, that is from 0 to 9, then capital A to capital F. And in case of binary number system, if we are taking a single bit, we can write only the numbers 0 and 1. So, by obeying the principle of order meter, we are taking the combination of bits. So, as per the requirement equivalence table, we have here taken 4 bits. So, you can watch, in case of binary number systems, we have taken the first bit as 0000, that is 40, and finally we are reaching to 1111, and that is equivalent to decimal number system 15. In case of octal it is 17, in case of hexadecimal it is capital F, and in case of binary it is 1111. While drawing or while designing the equivalence table, 3 points you have to taken into considerations. Number 1, the above table is written by obeying the rules of reset and carry method. Next, to write octal number in binary form, we have to take the help of 3 bits, and to write the hexadecimal number in its binary form, we have to take the help of 4 bits. With this, I remain. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you for your patient hearing. Also suggest the topic of interest you want to explain me in future.